Today, we're going to dive into an important topic, the anti-patterns of spike tickets. While spike tickets are essential for resolving uncertainties and making informed decisions, but they can also be mismanaged, leading to inefficiencies and hindering the Agile process. In this video, we'll explore some best practices and common anti-patterns related to spike tickets, and more importantly, how to avoid them. Here are some of the best practices of dealing with spike tickets. First best practice is time box wisely. When planning a spike ticket, it's crucial to time box it appropriately. Avoid making the spike too short, as it may not provide enough time for in-depth research. On the other hand, don't make it too long, as it may impede the team's progress and disrupt the sprint's flow. Next best practice is involve the product owner. Engage the product owner throughout the spike ticket process. The product owner's insights and understanding of business requirements can be invaluable in guiding the investigation and decision-making. Next best practice is share knowledge. After completing a spike ticket, share the findings and insights with the entire team. This fosters a learning culture within the team and ensures that everyone is on the same page regarding any technical or domain-related challenges. Next best practice is avoid overloading sprints. Limit the number of spike tickets in a single sprint. Too many spikes can lead to a lack of focus. It may hinder the team's ability to deliver a cohesive increment at the end of the sprint. Prioritize and reprioritize. Continuously reassess the priority of spike tickets as new challenges arise or project priorities change. Be prepared to adjust the sprint backlog and allocate time for critical spike investigations. Next best practice is retrospect on spike tickets. Include spike tickets in the sprint retrospective discussions. Assess whether the spikes were beneficial, if they helped the team make better decisions, and identify any improvements that can be made in handling future spikes. We're halfway through this video. If you're enjoying the content, smash that like button and hit the subscribe to join our growing community. Let's now look at the anti-patterns. First anti-pattern is endless spikes. It is the tendency to have endless spike tickets that seem to never conclude. When teams get stuck in constant research without reaching a decision or solution, it can disrupt the team's flow and lead to missed sprint goals. To address this anti-pattern, ensure that each spike ticket has a well-defined scope and time box. Encourage the team to focus on the critical aspects of the research and make a conscious decision on when to stop and move forward. Next anti-pattern is ignoring collaboration. It occurs when spike tickets become a solo endeavor, and team members work in isolation without collaborating effectively. Spike investigations often require diverse expertise and perspectives. To address this anti-pattern, foster a culture of collaboration and encourage team members to work together on spike tickets. Utilize pairing or mobbing techniques to leverage collective intelligence and ensure a thorough investigation. Next anti-pattern is treating spikes as add-ons. Usually, spike tickets are considered as add-ons, rather than essential components of Agile development. When teams don't prioritize spikes or consider them as optional, they may skip important research, leading to increased risks and potential roadblocks in future development work. To overcome this anti-pattern, ensure that spike tickets are given proper attention during sprint planning. Treat them with the same level of importance as other user stories, and allocate time and resources accordingly. Conclusion. Successfully dealing with spike tickets is a testament to a team's ability to embrace uncertainty and maintain adaptability in Agile development. By allocating time for research and exploration, teams can address technical challenges head-on and make informed decisions. Remember, Agile is not just about delivering working software, it's about learning, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of how to handle spike tickets in Agile methodology. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. See you in the next video.